And good day, today we're looking at this. It's a multifunctional vacuum cleaner and charging pump. I'll have a bit of a look around the box, see if there's anything of interest. And that's all of it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We've got a little bag, a carry bag. We've got the unit itself. We'll put that down. I might actually put everything out on the table and we'll come back once it's there. And as you can see, there's lots and bits and pieces. We've got the instructions. We've also got a user manual, so we'll put them aside. We've got the little vacuum cleaner attachment, and you've got various bits and pieces that actually fit into it. So we'll be taking this out to the car and we'll check them out to see if it's any good. You've got a charging cable, a few other little bits and pieces, more attachments. We've got the vacuum unit itself, and that actually rotates and pulls off. We've got some little valves inside that you can use for inflating basketballs and inflatable toys and so on and so forth. We've got, this is the battery. You've got an on-off switch on it, so you've also got a torch included. This fits onto the other little unit here, and you just simply rotate, so you've got your little vacuum cleaner, and we'll be putting all this to the test shortly and see if it's worth the money. Now, taking a closer look at this little vacuum cleaner component, these attachments fit on. It's actually one way they go, upside down. It goes that way, and it sits down nice and tight, and depending on which attachment you want, they just simply slip over the top. We'll take that off again. They're actually a very tight fit. This one of course fits in to the slot, and you can open it up as such. We'll put that to the side. Once you've actually used the vacuum cleaner, you've got this little compartment inside that needs to be emptied. So you rotate, undo, and you've got this little filter section that comes out, and you can just simply empty the container. And I nearly forgot, there's another attachment that goes on this end, and that's this one. And as you can see, it's a little bit different inside, and that fits over the top, and that becomes a blower. The back of the battery pack has got two ports, as you can see. We've got Type C for charging, and we've got a USB Type A for, well, if you want to charge your mobile phone or whatever off this little battery pack. We'll insert the charger, and we've got two little lights charged. We've got one there, so we've got to charge to the third one, obviously, and we'll come back once it's fully charged. We'll have a quick look at the air pump. We'll turn it on, and you can see there's 4 different modes there. It's currently set on the car. It's actually 36 pounds per square inch. I'll show you that in a second. We press the mode button and it takes you to motorbike, 40 pounds per square inch. Push bike, 50 pounds per square inch. Basketballs, footballs, 8 pounds per square inch. Now we'll go back to the car, showing 36 pounds per square inch. Now, supposing that's not the pressure you want, you can increase or decrease to whatever you want. Then you press the start button, and it will continue to that pressure that you've actually preset, and then shut off automatically. And everything fits inside the bag, and once you've got it in there, just simply pull the drawstrings and away you go. So it'll fit nicely in the car. My bike tyres are rated at 65 pounds per square inch. They've currently got 38 pounds per square inch in there. The bike is set on the pump to go to 50. Once we get there, it should automatically turn off. So let's go. So it's set correctly and shuts off correctly. I'm very happy so far. I'm about to put a bit of air in the tyres. We're currently at 29.5. I normally run them at 32. So let's go. And there we go. go. It's cut off at 32 pounds per square inch, so it's definitely capable of doing a car tyre as well, which is excellent. Let's see if this vacuum cleaner thingy works. It's not the world's best vacuum cleaner. Now I've just finished vacuuming, so let's have a little look and see what we got in here. Well, there you go. It definitely pulled up a bit of stuff off the floor. It's not the world's best vacuum cleaner, but if you haven't got one, it'll definitely do the job. So let's try the blower attachment and see what happens. Again, not the world's strongest blower, but it'll be great for cleaning your keyboard, or perhaps filling, getting the stuff out of the cup holders. You always get a bit of dust down the bottom that you can't move with a vacuum cleaner. So this will blow it out. So yeah, another effective tool. Very impressed all over.